Hey everyone, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unlocking the true power of Microsoft Word. We'll be breaking down the editing a document chapter, section by section, looking at the absolute essential tools you need to manipulate and perfect your text. And the best part? After we cover these core concepts, we're going to test our new skills together by actually solving the textbook practice questions right at the end. So get ready to level up your word processing game. Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll start with the golden rule of selecting text, move on to copy, cut, and paste, and then hit search, fix, and print. After that, we dive right into the practice zone with some multiple choice, fill in the blanks, true or false, and finish up with some short Q&A and matching. All right, part 1, the golden rule. Selecting text. Okay, so to perform any type of editing on your text, you absolutely have to select it first. It's got to be highlighted. You do this by simply placing your cursor at the start, clicking and holding the left mouse button, dragging it over the text, and letting go. It is literally step 0 for everything else we're going to do today. But hey, you can actually skip that whole click and drag routine if you want to be a bit faster. There are these awesome mouse shortcuts. Want just a single word? Double-click it. Need a whole sentence? Hold down the Control key and click anywhere inside it. And my personal favorite, a huge time saver, just triple-click anywhere in the paragraph and boom! The entire block of text is highlighted instantly. Moving right along to part 2, copy, cut, and paste. So the most crucial thing here is getting the fundamental difference between copy and cut. Copy is exactly what it sounds like. It just duplicates your text. The original stays put and you get a clone to put somewhere else. But cut, that's a relocation tool. It completely removes the text from its original spot, kind of holding it in the background until you paste it into its new home. When you actually use the cut option, which you'll find up in the clipboard group, that selected sentence literally vanishes from its original spot. It's completely pulled out. Then you just drop your cursor wherever you want it to go, click paste, and it reappears. You are physically moving the text, not just cloning it. Now, if you want to be incredibly efficient, you've got to memorize these keyboard shortcuts. The book calls them wow facts for a reason. They are total game changers. Forget clicking through menus. Just use Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+X to cut, and Ctrl+V to paste. Oh, and if you mess up, no worries. Ctrl-Z is your best friend. It's undo, and it instantly reverses whatever you just did. Changed your mind again? Ctrl-Y will redo it. And seriously, please hit Ctrl-S all the time to save your work. Trust me on that one.
Okay, part 3, search, fix, and print.
Picture this. You've just typed out a 10-page report, and you realize, oh no, you misspelled a client's name every single time. Don't panic. Just go up to the Find button in the editing group, type the misspelled word into the navigation box so Word finds every instance of it. Then, click Replace, type the correct spelling, and let Word do the heavy lifting. It swaps the old text with the new text automatically. It's basically magic. And finally, right before you commit your masterpiece to actual paper, you really need to preview it. Under the File tab, there's a brilliant Print Preview screen. It shows you exactly what your document is going to look like on the page. You can check your margins, make sure nothing's getting cut off, and verify your settings before you click print. It saves so much wasted paper. All right, on to part 4, solving multiple choice questions. Okay, practice time. Let's jump into the textbook's Assess Yourself exercises to test what we've learned. I'm going to throw the questions at you, give you a split second to think about your guess, and then we'll reveal the solution together. Ready? Here's a slightly tricky one straight from the list. Which exact feature allows you to move text completely from one place to another. Think about that key word there, move. Is it copy and paste, find and replace, cut and paste, or undo and redo? Well, if you guessed cut and paste, you totally nailed it. Remember that crucial rule from earlier? Cutting completely removes the original text so you can move it, while copying just leaves the original sitting right where it was. Moving on to part 5, fill in the blanks in true or false. All right, using our word bank, let's solve these fill in the blank sentences. Number 1, when you select text, it becomes, yep, highlighted. Number 2, to select a sentence, you press the Control key and click. For number 3, the Cut option removes text. And finally, number 4, the Find button is located in the Editing group. Simple enough, right? It perfectly reinforces our core toolkit. Now let's put your true or false logic to the test. Statement 1 is true. That's our golden rule. You absolutely must select text first. Statement 2, clearly false because, as we know, copying duplicates text. It doesn't remove it at all. Statement 3 is true. A quick triple click grabs the whole paragraph. Statement 4 is false. Find and replace hang out in the editing group, not the clipboard group. And statement 5 is true. Redo is the exact opposite of undo. And our final section, part 6, short Q&A and matching. Let's figure out how to correctly connect the goal we want to achieve on the left with the exact keyboard or mouse method we need to use on the right. So here's our solution map. Want to select a word? Double-click. Selecting a sentence? That's Control plus click. Selecting a paragraph? Just triple-click it. And the big ones? To move text entirely, use cut and paste. But to just duplicate it, you use copy and paste. To wrap up the short answer questions from the chapter, I really want you to burn these key takeaways into your memory. Always remember the golden rule. The very first thing you do before editing is select the text. Keep the functional difference straight, copy duplicates, cut moves. Remember that find and replace is your absolute best tool for swapping out words globally. And finally, the last step to getting that physical hard copy is hitting the print button. We've covered the core concepts and we just aced the practice test. So with these powerful editing tools, the fundamental rules of text selection, and those incredible time-saving shortcuts now permanently in your toolkit, what's the next document you're going to confidently edit and print? Go fire up MS Word, start practicing those triple clicks, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.